Meanwhile, Secretary Abad said both administration and opposition legislators and even party list groups have nominated projects from the DAP funds. He added that only former Senator and now rehabilitation czar Pamphilo Lacson did not propose projects funded by the DAP.
Dito sa Senado, isa lang po ho ang hindi humingi ng pondo na napapaloob doon po sa DAP savings. At yan po ay si Senator Ping Lacson.
Lahat po ng mga senador ay regardless of political affiliation, nominated projects for that can be funded under this program.
Tama po yan, Mr. Chairman.
Now, how about in the House?
Ganon din po. Maski na ho nasa minority, napapagbigyan din po.
Okay, what including party list?
Including party list.
Like who, for example?
Well, katulad ho nung bayan, nakakatanggap din ho yun. Mr.
Yung bayan, nagnumbra din ng proyekto.
Opo.
Bayan.
Opo.